Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are unboxing our new gear, Godox TT520 Mark II. This is an entry level of camera Godox flash for beginner like me. Let's get it opened. Opening the box, we are greeted by the trigger. It can be used by mounting to camera hashos or manually press its button to flash. Next is a pouch pocketing the Godox, desk stand, and user manual. Let's untie the pouch and see how the body of the flash looks like. It is all plastics to save costs and weight. All its functions are as shown here and very easy to utilize. The battery compartment is sideways that houses for AA batteries. On the top, there is an extra filter to reduce light if the weakest level is too bright, and white light bouncing pad. On the top of the trigger, there is a small button and LED indicator. Under it, there is a hot shoes mount and for channel switches. Now let's put batteries in and power this bad boy up to do some tests. We must direct the poles of batteries as shown here. Here is the on-off switch. Testing. Testing. In total, there are 8 levels of light intensity which we can adjust up and down using two buttons respectively. This is the 4 channel switches which match with the ones on the trigger we just saw. And this mode button where we can navigate from M, S1, S2, and Wi-Fi. Its clicky sound is a bit noisy when we adjust the angle. Okay, now I will connect it to my Canon M50 to do some shooting tests. This is my M50. First, I will put the trigger onto the camera. Don't forget to loosen the screw before attaching. To this point, I'm wondering whether we need to do any adjustments or not to make it work with the camera. Okay, let's also attach the flash into the desk stand. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. Let's try again. Let me turn the burst mode off. So, that's it. We don't need any adjustments. Just screw the trigger on and shoot. But don't forget to turn the power switch on. Also, don't forget to poke the switch off before we stop using it, otherwise, the battery power won't stay. Talking about forgetting, I did forget peel plastics off to hear a satisfied sound.